Hey guys, today we'll see how to use filters in Gmail, and also we'll see how to use filters to delete all the spam mails, and we'll see how to stop receiving spam mails further. And before starting, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Without wasting time, let's get started. Before applying filters, we'll know what filters can do. Filters can generally used to filter all your mails or irrelevant mails you are getting on daily basis. Also, you can use filter to move all the mails into one label which are from a common sender, or we can even delete mails received from a particular mail at a time. So without actually searching one by one the mails, you can actually delete it with the help of filters. So you can also start the mails with the help of filters, and we can do much more using filters. So we'll start creating filters now. So firstly, open your Gmail account, and you can see setting symbol here. Click on it, and you can see all the settings here, right? Click on it, and we have different settings here, and on that we are actually targeting on filters and block addresses. Click on it, and I have already created one filter here, so I just want to delete it. Let's say I'm deleting it, and if you open your Gmail without any filters, you can see this. So just we try to create a new filter here. So from is something we need to paste the details of the mail ID or from whom you are getting spam mails. In my case, I will give reply@youtube.com because I get mails. I have mails in my inbox, so I want to delete it. So simply I give the from address and to address. I can explain you in another video if you want me to explain these all fields. But for now, if you want to delete all the spam mails or a particular mail sender, you can create a param filter here and just click on create filter, and you have all this in the background. You can see all the mails, so you can perform these actions on the mails. So what we are trying to do is delete it, and so we need to check this one as well, because also apply filter to matching conversation is something which applies on current mails, because by default when you uncheck this, the filter will be applicable from the next email you receive. But if you want to delete the mails which are in the inbox which you already received, you need to apply this and just create filter. So you got idea, right? So you need to place email ID which is spamming you too much in the from address and just create filter, and you need to check delete option as well as also apply filter to matching conversations, and just click on create filter. So previously here we have so many mails with YouTube, but now we can see only few emails because the emails are already deleted. So you can see in your trash, these are all the emails that are already deleted after applying our filter. So this is the way how we delete all the spam mails or anything else. We have seen how to use filters to delete all the spam mails, which in case I mentioned, you need to mention a mail from whom you are getting the mails, and we'll see how to stop receiving spam mails further. So again, go to Gmail and select one such mail. So in my case, I want to unsubscribe him. So most of us don't observe this unsubscribe button. Either it will be on directly here or it will be under the mail. So at the bottom of the mail, you can see unsubscribe from our emails or anything else. So we can click on unsubscribe. So are you sure you like to stop receiving? Yes, click on unsubscribe button here. Yes, you are unsubscribed from the next list. So from the next time when the sender wants to send a mail, your mail will be excluded and you won't receive any further junk mails or spam mails to you. So if you think a mail is spam, or if you think a mail is irrelevant, just go to the mail and just click on unsubscribe button. That's all. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.